back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stop churn with smart retires and WooCommerce subscriptions. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to stop churn with smart retires and WooCommerce subscription, enable to retry the system in WooCommerce. So simply go to WooCommerce, and once you're in WooCommerce, go to settings. After that, you can simply find the subscription setting. Then you can configure the specific retry logic under the miscellaneous settings. Smart retries can recover revenue from soft declines like insufficient funds by automatically reattempting payment over a set period, which can customize by number of attempts and time frame. So by doing this, you can simply stop churn with smart retires and WooCommerce subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.